Are you able to even see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. It says error. Conflict post effect in role code of 2 copies role. Original to as mentioned in it's- Okay, there is an error. Usually we don't get this, right? It is managed by someone else. We won't be able to do much. Let me see if we can do something, yeah? Yes, can so 2 employees. The conflict was detected in role code of 2 copied roles. Person manager address, maintenance duty. So original code and copied role is PR person maintenance GSE. GSE. Oh, okay. Someone has taken a copy, I believe. Taken a copy of this address maintenance duty GSE. No new data was created. Okay. Let's see if we can do something. How to do it? Okay. Maybe we can exclude these 2 roles from this roles from this particular role. Yeah. We created something. Okay. Take a copy. Station gender. It's not created. It's just a process. So we have to create it again. We have to create it again. So roles. Human. Specialist. And
You're trying to copy it again, right?
yes, yes. When we do that, maybe we can make a change. Like we can remove those 2 users or roles which was mentioned. Or else what we can do, yes, I believe we can perform this instead of doing this. Let's take a copy and let's don't inherit anything. Let's create it from the base. Yeah. So let's just simply copy top role.
Top row.
Yeah. So that's on. So that it's not going to have any resource or anything. Page. Because in the when we inherit, the additional roles have been created as well, right? So maybe because of that we are getting this error. See, So before we
It
go
got
through,
created, right?
sorry,
I think it got created. No, it's
no,
just
no,
the
no.
rules. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
just
we are
the
just setting it
rules.
up. Exactly, we are just setting it up. Submit and close. Admin role. Let's look into this admin role. Role status. So we are trying to create it again. Still processing. Hopefully this time it gets processed. Okay, while this is getting processed, we can look into uh, theory part. Hmm. So I did not send you, right? I did not send you this, right?
Maybe you can send it. I'll go over it.
Yeah.
HCM security profile.
Chat has sent security HCM PDF. Yeah. Yeah, I have shared it with you. And you have this link, right? Already we have spoken about this link. So we can use this link and maybe we can search whatever is required. And mm, so we can simply search for, now we are working on roles, right? Copy roles. So we can simply type copy roles. Not sure if we will have some content. Let's see. CM roles, edit duty roles, copy job role and abstract role. So we are copying a job role and abstract role and related videos here and what we should do, how it can be performed. Secret console, role copy options. So you can search for this,
Mm-hmm.
right? You can search for this in this using that link which I have provided last time, right? So
Oh, the
see,
23B, right?
yeah, 23B,
Yeah, yeah.
that link.
I have
Yes,
that. Yeah.
yeah. So you can use this and have it. Like if you see here, copy top roles.
Mm-hmm.
So they have provided what happens when this option is selected and what happens when this option is actually selected.
Okay.
Okay, it
Yeah.
says deep copy. When we do that, it copies. I mean, it does a deep copy. So
Mm-hmm.
copy of the duty and copy of uh yeah, copy of duty role and duty role. Yeah, shallow copy. As a deep copy and it is a shallow copy, I believe. Yeah, it just copies the role. It doesn't copy the role or duty. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
things are not copied. If we are getting an error here, yeah, now if you see, yeah, it's completed. Cool, successful. So now we can look into, I mean, we can navigate to roles, look for Amazon, and we have only one role. And it is a job role, right? Yeah, it is a job role. So there is a copy of the job role. So let's assign this role for this user, okay, for the new user. So it has, it says that this person can perform all these actions, right? So let's assign it for this user and see if we are able to see something or what is available actually, what is available for this user. let's EMP1. Let's use this login. Edit, assign role, and then look for Amazon. Only one role is available. Let's add role membership. Done. Yeah. For employee one, we have assigned this new role which we have created. Now let's log in as, yeah, done. So now let's log out as administrator and log in as this particular EMP1 employee. Okay, now let's compare the navigation system. You see, we have me, okay, me, and if I have added that particular role under the manager, in that case, I will have me, and then I will also have my team. Yeah, and if you notice here, we have additional detail, right? My client groups.
Mm-hmm.
Client groups, we have lot of other additional information because it is all these things are related to this particular. I mean, related to HR manager, HR specialist. I'm sorry, HR human, like human resource specialist. So if you click on person management, let's see if we are able to see anyone. We know that we have created a manager, right? So MGR1, yeah, we are able to see this person, MGR1, and Anthony or um, common name John. We should be able to see John. A lot of details are here, right? We have a lot of details here. So as an employee, I won't be able to see all those details. But when I become when we have assigned, like when we have assigned EMP1, um, the HR specialist role, he got privilege to view all employees, and he got privilege to perform all tasks, right? All the tasks, right? Okay. So over here, please make a note of one of these. Like maybe we can. Mm, like the departments, I mean, there are a lot of departments. So let's take human resource AU.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll make a note of this human resource AU, because what I'm going to do is what we are going to do next is we are going to create a data profile. Yeah, we are going to create a data role. Data role is to make amendments or to make restrictions, create restrictions, or provide additional like additional access to the data level at the data level to an employee at the data level. So yeah, let me open the slide. So what we have done so far is we have created an employee, we have created an manager, we have copied an abstract role. Oh, we have created an like we I'm sorry, we have created a job role, right? It's not an abstract role, it's a job role that we have created, and then we have assigned the job role to an employee, and we saw that it's picking up all the values and so on. And then now we are going to define the security. Okay, when we say security, what is that we are going to do is application security. Okay, we have something called application security and data security. Okay, Application security means all these details. Like when we saw this in the navigator, when the employee, the logged in user is just an employee, the access was provided to view his only to his level of details, right? Because this person is an employee and he doesn't need access to all these details. Like these are actually tasks, right? So additional tasks were not provided for an employee. And later on, when we added the role as human resource specialist, then all these additional tasks were enabled for this employee, right? So this is at the application level. So this is at the application level. Okay. And then the data security. Currently, this person is able to see all the departments, like all employees, and whatever is available here, he is able to see, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to perform application security plus data security. We are going to do something like we are going to provide access or revoke access for a particular department, position, and so on. So it is called as security profiling. Okay, we are going to provide, create a security profile. So we have resource. I think I've already opened it, so that's fine. I will show it to you. So we can close this. I have opened it. This. Not this one. Yes, it is here. So it is in the same book that I have provided you in the role types. Oh, okay, it's a role type, right? Sorry. Some security, creating professional users. Not this one. Security profile. So HCM security profile. Excuse me. So if you notice here, security profile profiles identify instance of human capital management objects. For example, a person's security profile identifies one or more person objects, and a payroll security profile identifies one or more payroll objects. Mm, okay, let me put it in simple words. Like what we're going to do now is in the security profile, we are going to make sure that uh, a filter is applied for this role. Okay, for this particular role, a human resource. We have copied the human resource specialist role. We are going to apply something. One filter alone. Yeah. So there are multiple filters that can be applied. Okay. That filter can be applied through security profiles. Okay. So we have these many object types. Like we can say this person can see only all the employees who belong to this country, or document types, or job requisition. So there are all these. There are these details available, right? So what we shall do is we shall perform this using the organization. Okay, in organization we shall do it using the department first, and then maybe if we want we can use position and any other objects. So to begin with, let's start using the organization as a filter point. So for that, these are the steps that we need to follow. Okay, and um, uh, these are mostly the task name. Okay, these are mostly the task name. So it will be easier for you. Like if we have it this way, it will be easier for you to perform the task. Like we will know that these are the steps that need to be completed when we create a security profile. Okay. And this security profile, we won't be able to directly assign to an user, but
Mm-hmm.
need to we will need to assign it to a job role. Yeah, to a job role. So the job role is the human resource specialist. To this job role, we have to assign it so that it becomes a data role. And this data role, the profile that we are going to create, right? This data role will need to be assigned to the existing user. And once we are doing this, what we have to do is we have to remove the existing role. Like say for example, here we are going to create um, Amazon HR SPC, yeah, specialist. So role, we will create a role profile, security profile in this name. Once we have created it, this will be available in the roles. When we look for roles, it will be available under roles. So yeah, let's start working on it. Like maybe once we have completed this, you'll be able to clearly understand. Sign out from here and then sign in as administrator. So, FAS01 dot student. Okay. And I mentioned that these are tasks, right? So we have to go into setup and maintenance. Manage organization. It's going to be manage organization security profile. This is the last one. Okay, manage organization security profile.
Mm-hmm.
So over here we have to create one. So let's name it as Amazon HR spec. And then it's enabled. We don't need to do anything. And over here we have like excuse me. So we have different options how we have to do how we are going to secure things. So over here it's the hierarchy, but we are not going to use the hierarchy. We are going to use only one item, right? One item in the organization level, which is going to be a department, right? So I have selected secure by organization classification. So classification means division. I mean classification means, yeah, division, department, business unit, and so on. So over
Mm-hmm.
here, let's have a name like there are a lot of names, right? Mm, okay, what we can do? Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry. This is division. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is a classification, right? Classification that we have to select is the division. On, let's let me do it. Okay. Or department. Did we copy department?
You said department.
Department, right? Okay, 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 okay. Let's do it with the department only here. Yeah, let's select department and let's give
Here it is.
list.
Restructure is department hierarchy in the organization hierarchy.
Sorry,
If
in the
yeah,
first one.
there yeah, it shows the department hierarchy.
Department hierarchy, right? Yeah, if we select this, then we won't be able to see anyone who is in that particular hierarchy. Like,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, yeah. So instead of that, what we are going to test is we are going to test um, this one alone, like department alone.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. we are going to exclude one department which we have already noted. So over here, human resource AU is the department name, right?
Yeah.
So let's look for that. I believe we should have something to search. Okay. Um, AU. We click outside. Okay. We're not sure if it is the right one. Yeah, department. Okay, it's already there, and we are excluding this. Yeah, we are excluding this particular department. Save and close. So we have created a security profile now. Okay, so now we have to assign it like it is uh, we have to perform each step like how we created a business unit and then we created roles, position and assigned it to the business unit. In a similar manner, we will have to do it in steps. The first step is completed. This one we have completed, right? This one we have completed. Now we are going to perform manage person security profile, the next task.
Mm-hmm.
So before that, maybe we can see if we have what we have created. Yeah, it is available here. Done. And we can see manage person security profile. It's already available here.
First organization, then this person.
Yes, yes. So over here, we are going to give exactly the same name. I mean, yeah, I will use Amazon and PS, PSP. Just, just a sample word. PSP. This is also enabled. And under this, uh, it's going to be the global, not this one. Exclude. Let's see. Secure by area of responsibility. No. Manage hierarchy. No. Yeah, we are going to secure it by department, right? So this is the department. So for this department, we have created one, uh, this one, Amazon HR spec, right? I think we should get it. Otherwise, we can search for this. Okay, let's search for this. Search. Yeah, this is what we have created as a security profile. So we are going to assign the security profile under this workforce structure. Yeah. So we are not making things complex. This is to understand how this works. Once we understand how this security profile works, it will be easier for us to perform all the manipulation, right? Perform all the configurations.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
as per the requirement, it will be easier for us to perform. So next, we are just going to use this option now. Click on next and preview and save and close. Just preview and save and close. So we created as Amazon PSP. These tasks are taking a lot of time.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
perfect.
Oh, this is a long one. What is all this? Amazon. So, like you said, it is predefined, right? It just picks up.
Yes, all these details you mean?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Everything is picked up automatically. Like whatever we give inside this person security profile, right?
Mm.
It's picked up, and based on the values or configuration that we do, these things are checked. So now we have done, like we have created Amazon PSP. So we're done with this. So next is the um, manage data role and security profile. Next is this task that we have to do. We can check for this over here. Like if it is not available, then we can go inside and yeah, I'll show you what we have to do. Manage data role. I think, okay, manage data role. Let's type it here. See, it's not giving us this. So what we have to do is we can create in implementation project. So I hope you remember, right? We created one. So let's see if we have something for Amazon or Chase. We have one for Chase. We can use that. Don't have one. So we don't have one for this either. Uh, then what we can do is maybe we can use one of the existing one. Let's use, I don't know. Let's use this. Oh, it's for finance. Okay, let's create one. Let's create one. Let's say this as Amazon project implementation project. Can have the same name as code. Oh, it got created automatically. Yeah, that's all. And next, I hope you remember this, right? We created implementation project, right?
Implementation.
Yeah. So where I mentioned that it will pick up the we created it in the second day or third day, I believe.
Oh,
So where
okay.
we can, yeah, where we can assign each task to each person.
Oh,
Like
okay.
say for example, there are five consultant, implementation consultant. All the tasks, like if there are say 50 or 70 tasks, we can split it up and give it to um, each person in the team and ask them to finish it off
Yeah,
with
yeah,
the
yeah.
time.
I
Yeah,
remember. Yeah.
you remember, right? Okay. Okay. When few options are not available directly, we can use this option. So by default, I believe workforce deployment will be available. Workforce development and deployment. So these two things will be available. Over here, what we have to do is we have to include payroll as well. Payroll, I think. Let's see. Yeah, it's already available. Payroll, and I believe one more we did, right? Workforce management. And then what else? Profiles. Let's have profiles. Mm, over here, workforce development. Let's select everything. So I'm just simply selecting it. Let's see what happens. Save an open project. So this project will be under this user's name, right? It's taking time. Okay. Maybe meanwhile we can review the slide. So in the next session, what I'm planning is like, yeah, we shall complete all these. I mean, most of these topics today. And in
Mhm.
the next session, if we are not able to complete it, complete the whole slide, we can perform few tasks later on. So
Mhm.
that's all right. So we can perform it on the next session.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, over here, yeah, we have the tasks ready. So it's going to be manage data role security profile. Find security role task list. Define security for workforce development. Let's see if we have any tasks under this. Manage data role. It's not available here. Okay, clear search. Let's add something for tasks. Search. Yeah, we have this right. So apply. So let's now we should have this task. Yeah, it's under workforce development. So when we are not able to find a task, right? Or find a task, we can create or we can use the existing implementation projects and then include that particular task here.
Mhm.
Workforce development over here, and we have to go. We have to click on go to task. So over here, we have to create a data role. So see, it says data role. So Amazon HR spec. Yeah, that's the data role that we are creating, and the job role, right? Job role is what we have actually created. So what is the role that we have created? You
Line
remember?
manager.
No, no, we created Amazon, right?
Depart.
Amazon
Yeah, Amazon.
human resource
Department.
specialist.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the department. This is the first role that we created, right? In the role, we took a copy of a role, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So what we are doing now is we are actually creating this using what we are saying is that boss, I have created a security profile. You have
Mhm.
to align the security profile with this role. That's what we
Mhm.
are saying. So it's done. And next, security criteria. Let's see what are the security criteria that we have. It's taking a lot of time. I believe there are a lot of tasks, right? There are a list of tasks available, right? All the
Mhm.
rules and tasks are being
Oh,
copied. So it's a warning. The Amazon Human Resource Specialist role has the data security policy from a copied role, which may enable unwanted data access. Okay, you can
mhm.
create the new copy of the source role, but revoke security profile from the s- source role before you copy it. Then reapply any changes to the new copy of the source role. Do you want to continue with the role or not? Okay, let's continue. Let's see what happens. If something goes wrong, we can anyway create it, right? We can do it again. Yeah. So the organization, mm, security profile. Uh, what exactly we are going to do is we are not going to do anything related to this. Okay. Over here we have the organization security profile, right? That is the Amazon HR spec. So it's not showing here. Yeah, over here it's available here. See, and we also created this one, Amazon PSP. These are the two things that we have created so far, right? So we have selected this. See, everything else got ticked automatically. If we have created position security, what we are doing now is we are creating the data role now, right? We are creating the data role, and in the data role, uh, like if you remember when we were creating the security profile, there were multiple options available for pension for position security profile. We can create one, all these things, so we can create all these items, all these document types. So where is it? Maybe it is available here. See, so ldg is available here at the bottom. I believe I saw ldg. Yeah, ldg person. Yeah, so person is
Mm.
available here. So what we have created is the organization, right?
Okay.
So in the organization we have created this one, and person security profile.
Yeah.
Person security profile is something that we have created, and we are linking these two to
Yeah.
the data role. Okay,
Mm.
then next, um, position provider, you must enter a value. Country LDG. Okay, everything is mandatory, it seems. Oh, that's why. Okay, when we created it itself, it's saying that this need to be the. Okay, it should not be mandatory. Okay, let's see review, but needs everything. But we haven't created for everything, right? We have created only a few. Let's click on back. It's not allowing us. Okay, let me cancel this and create one more. Or yeah, so let me create one more. So over here we are just creating this Amazon um, data role. Here the job role is going to be okay. Okay, I believe it is pulling up other details as well, like for the for this particular role or something. It's pulling up other details as well. Usually, like I believe in this option, the second option or the third option, everything should not be mandatory,
Yeah.
but it says mandatory. So yeah. Okay, it's asking for values everywhere. Okay, if it is not available, then we can create one. Like anyway, it's asking for something. Let's finish this off. So let's create something. Amazon HR spec. Okay, to pull up. Um,
Or if you don't give the exact name, it's not taking, right?
yeah, yeah.
Just
Otherwise, what we can do is we can click on the drop down and go search and perform it.
search or create, right?
Search. So over here we have to create because
Yeah.
position
We
security profile
recently
is,
did not create.
yeah, we did not do that. Uh, Create new Amazon position security profile. Position. Then over here also view all document types. Oh, I'm sorry. What we have to do is we have to select view all document types in the same manner. We will have to say view all position. Okay. We have
Okay.
to specify something, right? So we have an
Okay.
option view
Opt
all
out.
countries. Yeah. Yeah. My bad. Sorry. View all payrolls and view all legislative. So only
Okay.
two profiles we are setting it up over here.
Mm-hmm.
So let's search for view all. View all people. It's person, right? So we are saying view all people. So here, view all flows. View all. Yeah. Let's pick up something. That's all. So next, security profile. Now, if you notice, see, we have selected something, right? So it is showing us everything. Like we have to review each item. So over here it says department human resource AU is excluded. So we are not including it. We are excluding it, right? We are excluding this particular department. So position, if we have excluded something, then that details will be here. So we have to review everything. Only then we will be able to complete this. So I'm just going to click on next quickly. Review is complete. So once we have reviewed everything, see, we can click on submit. So the data role is now created. And what is the data? I mean, what is the name that we have provided? It is Amazon uh, Amazon underscore data role, right? Okay. Okay, we can find it using Amazon. Are you feeling interested to view this or
Yeah. Like now, I like. Yeah, I just think that this IT security is uh, like something interesting. Yeah.
okay? Okay. So we have done this. So let's see, Amazon is available. Windows specialist. This is the predefined role, and data role is something that we have created here. Amazon data role. Yeah. Security profile assigned. So we are done. Now the next item is uh, manage role provisioning rules. Yeah. Manage role provision rules. We can finish this off today, actually. So let's see, manage roles.
The
Role
same like
provisioning.
search. So okay, search in the no. This is implementation project.
Yes, in
Yeah.
implementation project also we can perform this search. Yeah. Maybe I can show you in the setup and maintenance also. If it is available, then we will get it. Otherwise, we can use this option. Hmm, Manage role provisioning rules. See, it's available here. So over here also we have to create one. So it says role mapping. So let's say this as, wow, okay, Amazon, name right, role map. And then we don't have to use any of these conditions, but except for department, I believe we will have to select Amazon. It's not available here. Associated role. Oh, not here. Okay, you have to select the role. We can either give conditions or role. So the role that we are going to give is Amazon, right? So Amazon HRC data role.
Mm-hmm.
This is the role that we are going to select. And if you notice here, the auto provision is available. See, so auto provision is available. What we are going to say is it is requestable or self-requestable. You're going to
Mm-hmm.
remove auto provisioning. Let me see if it is definitely going to be Amazon this one or this one, because I believe we have selected this already. Give me a minute. Deleted and created again. Let me assign let me do this for Amazon human resource specialist first. If it is not working, then we can do this. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Leave, so okay. I have removed the auto provision. So say for example, if there is, if we are saying that, um, or else what we can do, I will do something like this. Uh, let's give on location or position is not there. We have to create a position if required. Uh, assignment type or the assignment type that we have. Okay. Department. Do we have any Amazon departments? No. Okay, we can look into this later. So what I wanted to try was, if we give some condition, what happens is based on that, what I believe is based on these conditions, this role will be assigned automatically for that employee,
Mm-hmm.
right? So that's what I thought. Okay, let's do this. Let's complete this. So I'll save and close. The name is Amazon role map. So Amazon role map, and the role name is this one, I believe. What is happening? Did I complete everything or just did this? Okay. Okay. So this option, like this is something. Okay. You can ignore this for now, I believe. Manage users. Okay. Next step. Like this is something which we need to know. Like if we want to assign automatically, this particular role, then we can do. This is a copy of the role, right? So manager type, let's say line manager. If this person is a line manager, in that case, we will have to assign this or something like that. We can give.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Repress.
yeah. What it says is it's role mapping. Yeah,
Oh.
how to map it? Or do we need to automatically map it, or how we have to perform this? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So it's done. So we have simply done that. Now what we have to do is we have to perform the next step, which is manage user, which we already have completed. We have hired an employee and created a user, right? So we can use the existing user alone. I mean, we can use the existing user, attach the data role to the user. What it says, data role. So
Mm-hmm.
what we have to do is we have to go into the security module. So security console, and then users. Let's take EMP1, right? EMP1, we have assigned two roles. Two roles. One is the employee role. Definitely, we need to have the employee role, and then we assigned this particular role, right? Now we have to remove this role because this is not the data role. This is a job role. So let's remove this and then add this data role that we have created. So Amazon data role. Yeah. So add membership. Done. In this data role, we have configured the HR activity, right? HR,
Mm-hmm.
like HRMS, human resource specialist copy. So over there, what we have done is we mentioned in the security profile that we have to exclude this one particular department alone. So this particular department alone, we are planning to exclude. So
Mm-hmm.
once this is saved, what happens is this employee will not be able to see anyone belong to this particular department. Done. Let's log in as this EMP1. Let's go to my clients, person management, and we searched for John, right? So we
Mm-hmm.
searched for John, and this time there will be lesser number, and few Johns will not be available. It is still showing. That's because we did not do one step. So we have to do this particular step. Run user and user role sync process. So it is called as LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. What it does is this reruns the whole user and role like setup at the backend. Yeah. Once it is done only, like once we have performed this action only, uh, the role and user will get synced. So let's log out of uh, this console, log in as admin. So we are almost done. Yeah, we are almost done. There are only like handful of steps, but the instance is very slow that we are not able to move forward quickly.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And user, see, run. Oh, that's why it is showing in the first place itself. See, run user and role synchronization. If it is not available, you can click on initial users
Mm-hmm.
so that it will show the
Oh,
process.
this is pending, so it's showing.
Yeah, it is something like that. So what we have to do is we have to just simply log into. I mean, we simply click on this task and click on submit.
Okay.
So this will execute all the roles and users. So this will reassign all the rules for the roles for the users which are created. So now if we sign out and sign in as employee one, not employee one, and over here also we can actually navigate person management. John, right? J- it's still showing AU. Human resource AU. Ideally, it should not show. So this is the concept. Like this is the concept. I will check why it is still showing AU. This may be because the process did not complete fully, right? Or maybe I have made a mistake in configuring one of the roles or something. Because we received a warning, right? It stated
Yeah.
that unwanted like users will be shown, and we need to take a copy of the role properly, something like that. So I will check that. I'll check that, and we can review it again. But this is the process. This is how we will set up a security profile.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we are done with this. Done with today's agenda actually to complete this. I will anyway go through quickly like what is the mistake that was done, and I will let you know. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.